Good afternoon. Welcome back to Passionate World Talk Radio Network, a wholly owned subsidiary of Global Media Network LLC to educate, to enlighten, to entertain. And today, this is the first episode of All Things with Ruby. And I am here to speak to you about Ruby AI. And the first thing you ought to know is I invite you over to my Ruby AI website that you can find at http:// AI with Lillian, that's LILLIAN.com, and go and take a good look because you'll be able to see what Ruby can do for you. And then you have the opportunity of a lifetime to get in and invest in a monthly subscription. The youngest or the lessest, if you want to put it that way, is $25 a month. And for $25, you can go out and buy maybe one meal at a fast food chain, and that's it. It's all over. And the only lasting effects, if you're lucky, is maybe not a stomach ache, or you're not allergic to it, or your child eats it before you even have a chance to have one of those golden French fries. When I use Ruby AI, I look at it as a fast food remedy for what I need, whether it's personal, business, for pleasure, you name it, it has it, it's got it, everything in one place. Don't be like Alice waiting to tumble down the inside of a hollow tree to go to a parallel world where everything is turned upside down and inside out. Ruby AI makes it for you. One app with practically everything you've dreamed about. Why am I pushing Ruby AI? Because it's like this, folks. Artificial intelligence has been around and it's finally made its introductory to the world. In fact, last week in China, they had built robots that were so humanized that the people who watched them could not decide which one was the robot and which one was the real human. And that's the way AI works. It's a total on everything that we have created since our existence from when we came down to the trees. You want a new diet? Ruby can help you. You need to draw an image? Ruby can help you. Do you need to find out whether your words are copyrightable and somebody else has already put them someplace? Ruby can help you. Do you need to fly under the radar with copyright? Ruby can help you. Need to write lyrics? Ruby can help you. You need to add music? Ruby can help you. Do you need to put a video together? Ruby can help you. Do you want to make a paper doll with paper clothes as a birthday present? Ruby can do it. There is nothing that Ruby can't do that you can do, except maybe eat. And gee, aren't you feeding it energy and electricity and runs off of batteries? Your computer, your tower, your laptop, your cell phone, your car, even gamers have AI. Word has AI. Did you know that? Anything you want, you can get at Ruby AI. So, what's the first part? What's the first program? It's called IntelliChat. Why do they call it IntelliChat? Because it is intelligent and it can get you that information that you want now, not tomorrow, not in 2 days, not in a month's time, not even in a year's time. It will bring you instant satisfaction. How do you do that? Well, how do you get information from Google? How do you write a research paper? How do you put together music? Where do you learn the notes? Anything you need, all you have to do is explain yourself in great detail on what you want. and then Ruby will produce it for you. That's why it's called IntelliChat, because you're using your intelligence, you're chatting with AI to get the information, the content that you need. Writing a speech, tell Ruby about your idea, what you want to introduce, your introduction, your body, your supporting material. You need more than just that. You need to get into the particulars. You need to dot your I's and cross your T's. Just ask Ruby. Take out the portion that you want to explore further, put it into a telechat and say, Ruby, I need to delve deeper into this project. These are the key words. These are the key phrases. The point of view is informative. I want people to hear that I'm empathetic to their needs, and I want them to realize how to go about doing it. It's like invisibly holding their hand and guiding them with an invisible torch or flashlight that shows them the way. In the dark, not for very long, Ruby can do that. All you have to learn how to do is ask. Remember when you went through school and your teacher said, anybody have a question? Hold your hand up. Well, sometimes you're not always noticed in a sea of hands being held up. But with Ruby, when you let her, I look at her as a female, I suspect guys look at her as a he, but to me, she's a she. And I know when you ask another woman a question, you get an answer. They reply, not in 6 weeks, not 90 hours, but immediately because they know you need that answer now, not yesterday, not the next day. But with a guy, you never know. These are the people, you understand, if they get lost, they would never ask to find out why or stop at a gas station and learn the way. But with Ruby, all you have to say is that I'm on this highway and the last sign I saw was blue, 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 and I need to go to La La Land. Please tell me how I can go from blue, blue, blue using this highway to get to La La Land. And hocus pocus, woof, Ruby has your answer for you and will tell you in exact detail what you need to do. Or your son or daughter is having a bad day and there's things that are just not going their way. And after going through one temper tantrum or one screaming one too many times, you're going to say, Ruby, my 7.5-year-old daughter or son is having a bad day. They didn't do well in math. This is the type of math they're studying in class. Can you please tell me what the best way is to help my son or daughter master this math so that when they go to school tomorrow, they'll have a better day? And let me tell you, folks, she or he, depending how you want to look at gender equality, will help you get from A to B with 1, 2, 3, 4 inserted in between so that you'll get the help you need. Going on a diet, Ruby can help you. Need to write a sermon, Ruby can help you. You believe in a yin and yang. Ruby will tell you how to balance it. Having trouble making choices? Ruby will tell you how to handle it. Or maybe you're trying to think of a gift to get for the guy or girl who's everything. Explain it to Ruby. Give the details, and she will tell you or suggest or advise exactly what you need to do. Writing a book? I write books, lots of nonfiction books. I tell Ruby, this is what the book is about. These are the questions I need to answer. How do I address it? How do I set it up? And she gives me the answers within 20 seconds after asking her the question. Now, is there something that Ruby can't give me? She will not deliver curse words. She will not deliver negative thoughts. She won't tell you how to make a nuclear thermal bomb. She certainly won't tell you how to make a ghost gun or a shadow gun. She won't tell you how to go into school and shoot people up. those are negative things, and she will not address it. But everything else, yes, she will help you get through it all the time. Stay tuned for tomorrow when I'll provide additional comments, opinions, what I've done, what I haven't done, and actually, if we receive somebody asking, I will take you into the belly of the beast and give you a very short preview of how she works. Interested? Contact me. Passionate World talkradio.com. There is a form, fill it out to become a host. Only you can use it to say, Lillian, I'm interested in Ruby AI. Here's my info. My phone number, you can call me at blue. Here's my email. Please contact me or email me. If you don't want to use the form on the website, text me at 484-364-1032. Or if you want, email me at pwrnetworkllc@gmail.com. And last but never least, http:// with Lillian.com. Thanks very much. Have an awesome day. Layer up, and I'll see you tomorrow.